Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to share you how you can apply a sum function in Excel. So here is my personal finance. I recorded all my transactions from 16 October to 29th October last month, and now I'm going to apply a sum function on it. And for this, first of all, this is the cell I already share you. This is a cell, and we can access this cell with respect to row and a column. So its name will be a D29. So I want to sum up all these columns in here. So I select this, and then I have to press this key button. It show me a equal button, and then there will be a formulas which are mostly used or recently used. So these are sum, average, hyperlink, count, max, and sin. So I am selecting a sum. So I click on a sum, click on OK, and then I click on OK sum, and then it asks me from where I want to take the sum. So I select first number will be D1, and then number 2 will be this column. So end result will be equal to, then I add like this and click on OK, and then confirm on OK, and it copied sum of two columns. So if I want to sum all those rows, then what should I do? I simply use select the required column, enter a sum, and then press equal, then press sum this column, and from this select first column, and then by pushing a shift key and low arrow key on a keyboard, drag down, and I want to sum this because 55 is result of our previous sum of a selected columns. I don't want to include that. So the whole month I spent how much I'm going to calculate with equal sum and first column till dragging to a last column, and then I paste I a small bracket to close, and when I hit enter it give me this amount that I had spent it 9.29.42. So this is the quick function, this is the quick video where I share you how you can sum two columns. Thank you for watching, see you in another video.